Hi guys, Lena here, and I wanted to show you what I made with my Bamboo A1 mini printer. Here we go. Took me 2 days to print all this, and it has a little motor, and it Ripley's in lead. He said he's never had one of these in his whole life. Not sure why I'm getting something's in the way. Hang on. There we go. My emergency Band-Aid. Never know when you're going to need a Band-Aid for a 5-year-old. Has its own little motor. I have it plugged into my computer right now. Isn't it just the cutest thing? Nope, they're getting stuck. I don't have it balanced really well. It happens every now and then. But it's still fun. And there it goes. And it goes over and over and over. And then I can just take this, bring it up like this, lock it. Oops, I just dropped one. I don't know where it went, but I'll find it. And we're done. Isn't that awesome? Where'd that green marble? Oh, it's on the floor. All right, well, I just wanted to share this with you. I hope you like it. And remember to hit that like button and subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. Talk to you soon. Bye.